Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Pavoni Europe Espresso machine. Now for this machine we did lots of work. We pretty much had to polish everything from this machine. It was in really rough condition. It kind of looked everything like this. So we polished it up. We replaced the gaskets of the machine, the group head gasket, pretty much all the little parts that you see right here. We had to replace the group head sleeve as well, and this one, yeah, was in bad condition. Everything was in really bad condition. Even the little pieces here were completely rusted all the way through. There's no way you can actually remove these ones. So yeah, it was just pretty bad. So it definitely needed a good cleaning and a good tune-up. We also replaced the boiler gasket of the machine as well. So yes, pretty much all the gaskets of the machine got replaced at this point. So yeah, starting with 1 shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings. Otherwise you're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. And let me pull up the shot. Definitely fast. Our coffee is just old. We cannot really do anything at this point. It's just gonna go straight through up. It's not even gonna do any crema at all as well. So yeah, we need new coffee. So I'm gonna put down the porto filter basket, and then I'm going to show you how the group head, shower head, how the water comes after from the shower head. So we have this the porto filter out. Like I say, it's just old coffee, so I don't do any crema. Good water flow coming out of the machine, working great. Steamer having excellent pressure, working perfectly fine. And there you have it, La Pavoni Europe working once again. So thank you for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.